Hey, Kerry here. I had a dream. The fact is, I had the dream the other night or morning at 3:38 in the morning. I've learned I do my most creative thinking just after I wake up early in the morning. And my dream is building a business that I can sell. I mean, I don't want to work forever. I won't be able to work forever. Sooner or later, I'm going to die. And I don't want my work to be in vain. That I've built something that will outlast me. And that's going to be Best of U.S. Homes. Today I want to share that with you, and I want to share with how maybe I can present you an opportunity of a lifetime to be involved in something bigger than yourself and create a business that you can sell. And you'll have people beating at your door to buy it. So let's talk about that. This became a thought for me, a dream for me, because of Sonia Hunt. Sonia Hunt's a lady in Iowa City. She wrote me a couple of months ago and said, "Kerry, would you mind, or would you allow me to use your sign in Iowa City? Would you allow me to build a website, Best of U.S. Homes, Iowa?" And I said, "Sure, Sonia, go ahead." She says, "I want to take everything that you've taught me and that you're sharing with us, and I want to create a business like yours." So she did. She wrote me the warmest letter I've ever received about how, once she got the website up, how it was going for her, how she was enjoying it, and how she looked forward to what I might share with her in the future. Thank you, Sonia. You've made all this worthwhile. So where does it go from there? What if, and this is what I woke up thinking about, what if there were 20,000 of you agents out there who had something like that sign, Best of U.S. Agents, in the front yards all across the United States? What if we became a group of people that supported each other, unlike any brokerage that has ever existed? And that is to say that we provided leads. We provided support in social media. We provided all the things that you would need to be a successful business. And I thought, what would that look like? And my thought turned to McDonald's. It would look like McDonald's, so that whether I went into a Birmingham McDonald's, a Paducah, Kentucky McDonald's, or an Iowa City McDonald's, I know that the French fries I know what they're going to taste like. I know what the Big Mac's going to look like. I know what it's going to taste like. And so I'm comfortable going in there if I happen to like that. Why isn't there a real estate brokerage group that you have that same confidence level in? That you know if you hired them to sell your house, or you hired them to help you buy your house, it'd be the same no matter where it was. And there were 20,000 of those agents across the nation. What would that experience be like? Again, it would be like McDonald's. It'd be like Coca-Cola. It'd be like Apple. It'd be like Amazon.com. You know what you're going to get when you go through the door. Now, does anybody do that now? No. Does anybody promote my brand, my Best of U.S. Homes, but me? No. So, if I died tomorrow, what would happen to Best of U.S. Homes? Well, it would die with me. Could my heirs come in and sell it? No. Because for the most part, it's built around my sphere of influence and my ability to do local marketing. Once that stopped, once the sphere of influence went away and my ability to do local marketing, the business isn't worth anything. And that's what I came to realize. And that's what I've really been working on, because I did, as some of you read my book, you know, that I sold my real estate or my financial planning business for $2 million. I had a business that I could sell. So how do I take that and turn Best of U.S. Homes into that? Well, here's what I decided. I was going to need your help. In fact, I've worked the numbers out. I need 20,000 of you. I need 20,000 Best of U.S. agents across the United States who will rent my sign from me for $50 a month. With that, I'll gather $1 million a month that I can then do national advertising or regional advertising wherever that Best of U.S. sign is and promote it. And have the emphasis on the Best of U.S., not on my name. And so, if I had 20,000 agents and $1 million a month to spend on advertising and to support a national website and to push ads towards push leads towards your local websites, could I have a business that not only I could sell, but every one of the 20,000 agents could sell? I believe I could. Can a McDonald's franchisee sell his franchise? Can his heirs sell his franchise? Yes. Because it goes beyond his sphere of influence. It isn't only people coming in the door that he knows to buy his hamburgers. He has a brand. He has a recognition, an awareness, and people know what they're going to get when they come through the door. That's what I want to do with Best of U.S. Homes. Where does it go from there? Well, what if these 20,000 people not only rented my sign, but we established a brokerage, a Best of U.S. Homes brokerage. And like me, I currently pay a franchise fee. I currently give 30% of my sales to Keller Williams until I sell $3 million a year. Well, what if, rather than have an office complex somewhere that is well-staffed and I pull down a huge salary and have a private plane that I fly around in, what if I had 20,000 agents and they were all doing $300,000 worth of commissions a year, and I took 5% of that and I put it towards promoting the brand on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google search? That would be $300 million a year to promote that brand, to generate those 20,000 agents leads. Does that sound like a winning idea for everybody involved? What if that existed? And can it exist? And what has to happen to make it exist? Let's talk about that. First of all, it's going to depend on you. And it's going to depend on you wanting to be involved in something bigger than yourself. Think about that. Something bigger than yourself. Back about, I guess it's maybe 15, 20 years ago, a young secretary out in San Francisco applied for a job at a new startup company called Google, and she was going to be some sort of researcher. She's a multimillionaire now because she got involved in something bigger than herself. She got involved at the ground floor. I think this is what this could be, but only you can make it happen. The first thing you're going to have to do is join Best of U.S. Agents, and you'll go do that by going to bestofusagents.com and sending me your email address and getting on my drip campaign. I'm going to change the purpose of the drip campaign over the next month. Right now it shares with you my puzzle letters, my formula for selling luxury homes, my means of text marketing to people, and it'll be that way for a little while, but then it's going to turn and it's going to start talking to you about what this Best of US Homes 20,000 agent thing is going to look like and how it's going to work. So you need to subscribe to Best of US Agents. If you want to be a part of this, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to introduce things not only through Best of US Agents, but through my YouTube channel. I'm going to elaborate on it further. I'm going to share my thoughts, because we need 20,000 agents. Now, how are we going to get 20,000 agents? Right now, we've got somewhere in the neighborhood of 650. So each of you, 650, are going to need to recruit about 20 other agents. How are you going to do that? You're going to share this video with them. That's going to be the first step. And you're going to say, this is something I think you need to get involved in and you need to be aware of, and I want to let you know about it. So you need to, if you want to be a part of something bigger than yourself, you need to help me grow this to 20,000 agents. And you need to do that by sharing this video. You also need to like this video. That's the thumbs up down below there. What that does is it tells YouTube and their algorithm that people like this video and they need to put it in front of more real estate agents. So you need to do that. Okay, let's look a little further out in the future. What's in this for you? Well, first of all, you're going to build a local business that has value. And you're going to be a part of something bigger than yourself. You're going to get in on the ground floor of what might be the biggest opportunity in your life. Again, I refer to the young lady who took a job for Google. Because if this goes the way I think it's going to go, and if we are the only group of agents, real estate agents in the United States that have a system, a pattern, a procedure, a pledge to their customers that all the French fries are going to taste the same no matter where you go, we have value. We won't be able to keep it ourselves. Somebody will come and want to buy the whole program, and you're going to be part of that program. So you're going to have to be compensated. You're going to have to be moved, as I would have to be moved, into something bigger. Who might that be? The list is long. Right at the top of the list, I'll put Amazon. Right below them, I'll put Zillow. Right below them, I'll put Keller Williams. Right below them, I'll put Berkshire Hathaway. If they want to be in this business, and there is an organization of 20,000 agents who do everything the same, and they don't just work from their sphere of influence, they work from a national brand that people seek out and want to be part of as agents, and as well as buyers and sellers. They're going to want to be a part of it. I'm reminded at this point, because of my references to McDonald's, I want you to go find the movie The Founder. It's the story of Ray Kroc, who turns out to be something of a jerk, but it's how he built McDonald's and how he made sure that the product that came across that counter was the same no matter where you went, and how he built that franchise on that, and how, as a result of that, every one of those franchisees has a business that they can sell at any time they want, either to other franchisees or to people like you and I who want to be a McDonald's franchisee. I want you to watch that movie, and then I think you're going to understand what's inspiring me to do. Oh, subscribe to the YouTube channel right down here. Like the video. That's going to help us get to our 20,000. Join best of U.S. agents. And you'll start getting weekly emails that are going to keep you informed of where we're going and what we're doing. And then, most importantly, and if you want to be a part of this, recruit 20 agents that you believe should be a part of this. We aren't going to be able to do it with the 650 we have now. We won't have the leverage, and we won't have the influence. But that's in your hands. And I'm passing the baton to you today. And I'm challenging you. Go down below here and you'll see an insignia that says share. And you're going to copy the URL of this video. And then you're going to take it and you're going to email it to 20 people, 20 agents that you want to be a part of this. And then they're going to watch this video and they're going to join Best of U.S. Agents. And we're going to get to our 20,000. And then collectively, we're going to market ourselves as the premier real estate brokerage in the United States. How fast can this happen? That depends on you. It really does. I can't do it by myself. Do I suspect that sometime in the near future my phone will ring and say, hey, we want to get involved in this and maybe we can help you? Yeah. If you get involved in it, that's what's going to happen. I want to share this. Next week, 7 days from now, I'm going to turn 75 years old. It's taken me 75 years to get here, but I'm going to be part of making something that's not only bigger than myself, but bigger than I can imagine. Bigger than I can imagine. And I have a pretty big imagination. And it's all built around that. I watch the local lawyer, Alex Shinara, here in my community. He's on TV all the time. He's telling me, and he's making bukus of money. But do you know the mistake he made? And the same mistake that Morris Bart made and Stephen L. Klimjak and whoever the lawyer is in your community, you know the mistake they made? They didn't call themselves Best of the U.S. Lawyers. Think about that. When Alex dies, when Alex gets hit by a truck, what's going to happen to the Alex Shinara law firm? What if he called it Best of U.S. Lawyers? Think about that. Now is your opportunity. Opportunity of a lifetime. So subscribe, join, like, and recruit. Recruit 20 of the best agents you know. Isn't this exciting? I can't wait until tomorrow morning at 3:38 and I wake up again and I've got a new idea as to how to even make this bigger. Come ride with me. This is going to be fun.